Times are changing. Never stop exploring. Quality as the foundation. Service as the source of development. Pursue excellence as the path. Connecting the real and digital worlds with electronics components. Your trusted, hard to find, and obsolete electronic component distributor. Time has witnessed our steps forward since Perceptive was established in 2013. Starting from Shenzhen, the International Center for Electronic Components, by 2023, we will have nearly 1,000 square meters of office space, 500 square meters warehouse. Perceptive has been deeply committed to the electronic components distribution industry, dedicated to helping customers find low-cost original, hard-to-find and obsolete electronic components, one-stop BOM solutions, ensure customers get all the parts they need in the manufacturing process, provide customers with sourcing, inventory management, BOM cost down, testing service and SMT assembly. Quality is the foundation of cooperation with customers. Perceptive strictly control the quality of components. The incoming components are tested by microscope, external visual inspection, cooperate with testing laboratories and have advanced the equipment and testing technology, providing external visual inspection, X-ray analysis, functional testing, decapsulation, chemical testing, etc. With CMA, CNAS, ILAC, ERAS certification, we can provide professional test reports. Strictly control every procedure to ensure the quality of every shipment. Ensure the quality of components delivered to customers is original. Service is the key to cooperate with clients. We've partnered with SAP, creating one-stop electronic component distributor platform for global customers. Provide customers with high-quality supply chain management services and engineer support. Enabling customers to experience a fast and efficient procurement process. Qualification is a strong guarantee of customer trust. Perceptive passed ISO 9001 Quality Management System certification. Perceptive has been deeply cultivating the electronics industry for over a decade, with our unwavering commitment to quality control, worrying-free after-sales, rigorous QC inspection process, ensure all components sold are original, cooperate with professional testing and provide authoritative testing reports. Superior supply chain, own inventory warehouses in Shenzhen and Hong Kong. Close cooperation with multiple large EM factories and distributors worldwide. Sourcing components at the best price. Guided by our core values of quality first, customer service paramount, we consistently deliver exceptional products and services to our valued customers. We are dedicated to earning and upholding the trust of every client we serve. We are committed to customer satisfaction and have earned the trust of numerous renowned electronics manufacturers worldwide. Facing the future, Perceptive will provide customer various electronic components solutions with greater determination and ambition.